All right, welcome back to another episode of I Heart Shiny Cardboard. So today, I've been looking forward to this one for a while. Um, this is the box that kind of got me back into card collecting. So full story is this came out early January. Pokemon Go, which I'm a big fan of, everyday player, did a cross promotion, and they were promoting these Prismatic Evolutions box sets. And I saw, that those look cool. I'm gonna go buy one. And I walked into a GameStop, and they told me, "No, you're not." The guy was very cool. He said, he's like, "I'm sorry, man. I'm really sorry to tell you, but these things are really popular." He's like, "You're not gonna find one anywhere." And that's how it was for a couple months. But there was a restock this week at Pokemon Center. I got an order through, so here we go. I get to open my first Prismatic Evolutions late trainer box, and I'm so excited about it. And there we go. So this is only the second time I've done an elite trainer box. Me and my brother actually did a Shrouded Fable one. That was cool. But all right, wrappers off. Slide this thing out. Set stuff to the side as they come out. So we got our player's guide. Let's see, I don't know, it's better to show up for the camera. So I saw this in the other one too. It's basically a guide. Every card that's in the set is kind of documented here. You can almost make it a checklist. I'm not really going for master sets yet. That's a lot. I'm just kind of in it for fun right now. But I'll tuck that to the side. And then the box itself is beautiful. Here we go. All right, I'm gonna pull this out. So we got our little card sleeves. I think there's 50 in this set. I'll just kind of open one up to show y'all. Yeah, these are the kind of individual card sleeve protectors. Very nice to have a bunch of these. We got a whole bunch of energy cards, which I'll just tuck to the side for now. We got, yeah, our Sleeping Eevee promo. So let's pop this open because yeah, that's a cool looking card. Oh yeah, that is very nice. Like that. Oh, there's two. Okay, bonus. I was not expecting that. Like those. All right. My live code I'll tuck to the side, and a little. I'm not exactly sure what these are, but they look cool. But I really like all the colors of this set. I wore my closest Pokemon shirt with prismatic design, all the different colors involved. But all right, so we got our player markers. We got more dice. Nice little design. Hey, we actually got a D6, so that's cool. Can use that for training or card game or D&D. And then here we go. That is a lot of packs. So there is 11 packs. No, that didn't work. I was trying to do a cool little spread of them, but... Oh, man. Oh, here, let's put one up, I guess, for now. So, yeah, they got each one, looks like with a different evolution. But very cool. And let's get cracking. And yeah, this is my first time opening a Prismatic Evolution pack. I've not been able to find any of these. This has been the hardest set to find anywhere. Ah, and we froze. All right, we're gonna give it a minute. Yeah, I see it. I'm gonna give it 1 minute to catch up. In the meantime, I'm just putting the energy card up front. He says don't open. Nope. I moved the energy card to the front and then I stopped. That's all I did. It's a water energy. All right, next video, we're going to get a better computer. All right, we're back. Luke, go ahead and try to refresh the page. We should be back. Going to give it just another second. Waiting on confirmation that we're good. Still holding for confirmation. Let me check something real quick. Nope, I think I'm back on my end. There we go. Okay. All right, let's get it going. The first card. Trainer card. All right, that's all right. That's all right. We're going to get some cool stuff. That is... Wow, I don't think I've ever gotten so many tool or trainer cards in a row before. But, okay. And then... Here we go. Hoot Hoot. Got a Heatran. Legendary Hype. All right. Whoa, what was that? Something felt sticky. It's weird. Okay. Got to our reverse hollows. And the Dunsparce. I did not have one yet. That's interesting. I've never seen a pack. It's like, oops, all trainers. Only a couple Pokies, but okay. I guess that can be a thing. I'll have to figure that out. All right, tucking that one away. Pack number 2. We got a Glaceon, a Leafeon on here. All right, we will get rid of that. Boom. Water can go up front. All right, another water. Got a Lopunny. These are really heavy in trainers. I don't know if that's part of the set or not. Hey, that's a cool Ryulu. Reverse Hollow. Reverse Hollow Goldeen and Whimsicott. Okay. I don't know if I have one of those yet. But, all right, that is 2. And we'll keep it going. Pack 3. Oops. All right. The Sneasel. Man, there are a lot of trainer cards. I guess that's a thing. Ogre's Max. Ha! Oh, is that the... I know there's something interesting about this Slowpoke. I don't know if that's the right one. But it's got like a ball in the background, but cool. Or it's supposed to be a Master Ball. I don't know. I remember seeing a couple people talking about it. We got the Furfrou. Hey, Monkey Dory. Don't think I have one of them yet. I know Luke has the special illustration rare of that one. All right, let's try the Sylveon pack. Oops. All right. Yeah. All right, let's go through. That's a different Cottony than I have. All right. Got the Seeking to go with the Goldeen. Executor. Whoa. Okay. If we're going to get some trainer cards, at least get some ones that look really cool. So that's better. Reverse Hollow Baneri. Blood Moon Ursaluna. All right. Bam. Let's see. We're down to 7. That's right. The original Evolutions, all in the same pack. All right, tuck that one away. Hey, Dreepy. Very cool. Got a Miltank. Diplin. Catching some Applins in Pokemon Go right now. Area 0, very cool place in the game. Pheasantipity, all right, that one's new for me. Awesome. Like that. As the rare of that pack. Let's see. Hey, you know what? I was wondering. I was like, is Umbreon, my boy Umbreon on any of these? There we go. I actually got a couple with him on there, so let's try that one. Oops. Gotta have Eevee. All right. Bronzong. These earthen vessels I think are good for the game. Hey, Regigigas. Reverse Hollow. That's the first one of that. Archelodon. Cool. That's my first for that. And a Sylveon. All right. There we go. Good stuff. I was going to say, I got all these evolutions on the packs. Gotta find at least one of the cards. All right, 5 left. Well, 4 after this. Hey, we got the Hollow Energy. Cool. Tuck that away. We'll start with the Dusclops, Dunsparce. There's the Applin. All right. Got his buddy already. Howlucha. Another Radar. Festival Grounds. Hippo. And a Leafeon. All right. I think that's my first Leafeon. So, hey, nice to be getting some of the evolutions. Filling those deck slots. All right. Another Hollow Energy. It's fun. All right. The Houndour, Spritzy. Slowpoke, Duskull. Got a Pyroar. Hey, Espeon. Let's keep them going. Get all the evolutions. Janie's Secret Art. And a Jolteon. All right. I lost track, but I think we're only missing a few of them. This is the year of Eevee. All right. Let's see. Gotta double check, make sure my cards are in frame. Looks like we're good. A Furfrou. A million trainers. Great Tusk. One of the Paradox. There we go. I was blanking on the word. Hey, actually don't have a Badoo yet, so that's cool. Oh, there we go. There's a full art trainer. Larry Skill. All right. We love to see those. I'm gonna tuck that to the side. All right. Good stuff. All right, 2 left. Another Dreepy. I love a Dreepy. We are hitting on the Riolus today. Hey, Shaman. That is my first Shaman. We love him to see a mythical. Got the reverse hollows. Vaporeon. We're just going to hit them all, hopefully. Awesome. I think we're missing, what, a Flareon and an Umbreon? Ah, we frozen again? Hold, please. Let's see. Yep. I'm going to give it 1 second to catch up. We got 1 pack left. All right, looks like we're good. The stream's probably going to take a second to catch up. All right. That is unfortunate. All right. Might have to get a better computer. See, I'm just going to let him know. All right. We good. All right, he says it's good. Oops, wrong button. That button. All right, last pack. Here we go. All right. Hey, I think that's first Noibat. That is actually my first Slowking. I still need a slow bro. Oh, all right. Like these rare item cards. That's fun. Black Belts training. And a Dragapult X. That's my first one for that. We will take it. That is beautiful. Whew. All right, and that is Prismatic Evolution Box. That was very fun. I've been waiting a long time to be able to do that, so very cool. Thanks for tuning in. Hope you got any enjoyment out of it, and I'm not sure when we'll do this again, but I will soon. So thanks. Bye, y'all.